Hi everybody, Dave Blinder from eXp Realty, and I'm here today with my friend, colleague, and mentee, Franklyn Crowe at eXp Realty. Today, we're going to hear a few words of how Franklyn reviews my services as an eXp certified mentor.
Hi, everybody. Franklyn Crowe here, your friendly neighborhood real estate agent. I just want to say thank you to Dave Lyman. Without him, I would have kind of been lost with all the technology on the EXP that has. And he showed me, I met up with him at a Starbucks and we went over like all the technology that was available for me. And he showed me how to do some business strategy planning over with KV Core. He showed me how to set it up. He helped me get it set up, and he showed me how to reach out to all my clients and leads that are coming in. Without him, I would have been pretty much lost, but I'm glad that he was here to help me and guide me through all the technology fields. If you ever need to reach out to him, please do so. He's here. I'm here too. If you ever need some help for real estate related stuff, but Dave Blund is the man. He's a really good mentor. If you ever join the XP, reach out to him. All right. Thanks everybody. Bye for now.